In the far reaches of the galaxy, a race of ancient aliens, known as the Zorix, watched the evolution of life on a small planet called Earth. For millennia, they observed from afar as the inhabitants of this planet evolved from simple organisms into complex and intelligent beings. But now, the Zorix were ready to take the next step in their surveillance of the humans. Using their advanced technology, they created tiny drones and robots the size of insects that were undetectable by the naked eye. These tiny machines would infiltrate the human world, gathering information and reporting back to their alien masters. The Zorix watched with curiosity as their drones and robots scurried across the Earth, hidden in the shadows, gathering information on the humans. They were ready to learn everything they could about this fascinating species, and they would stop at nothing to achieve their goals.